Lesson 1. The 8 Parts of Speech. Peace be with you. I'm Rodolfo Martin Vitancol. In this video, I will present to you the 8 parts of speech. The following are the 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. What is the importance of starting with the 8 parts of speech in learning grammar? It will be like telling you to get a hammer and a nail and hang the picture on the wall beside you. However, you don't know what is hammer and what is nail. Similarly, I tell you to think of an adjective to describe the house in the picture, as well as an adverb to describe the way the man is painting the house. Unfortunately, you don't know what is adjective and what is adverb. In other words, in learning grammar, it is important that you must first have a good knowledge of the different parts of speech. They are your prime tools for expressing your ideas clearly and effectively that are in conformance with the rules of grammar. We are going to take up the 8 parts of speech one by one throughout the program. The Simplified English Grammar Program. This program is presented in a most progressive way, meaning it is proceeding step by step in logical sequence that if you jump over any of the steps, you will find difficulty in understanding what is being taught in the lesson you have jumped into. Therefore, if you are a newcomer to this channel and a first-timer in learning the English grammar, it is advisable that you start the program from the very beginning, that is, from lesson 1. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and God bless. Mabuhay.